Hello everyone, welcome to Engineers Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. So today our topic will be linear and circular patterns. For example, I'm making a circle, small circle here. Now I want to create a linear pattern of it. Like I don't want to create many different circles manually and then align them and give them an equal spacing, and so I will use a pattern command. It will give equal spacing, or if you want variable spacing, if you want variable angles, and whatever you want, you can create it in a pattern. So here is the pattern. Now select your axis direction that my pattern will move in. My pattern will move in the X direction. Here I have selected it. You can select any other. For example, I'm selecting, oh no, from here, not from here. Here is a Y axis. If I'm activating it, it will go in that direction. Okay, so what should be the spacing between that? I want 20, so 20 will be the spacing. And how much count I want? Okay, so I want, for example, 10 in a row, 10 circles in a row with the spacing between their centers is 20 millimeter. Now display the count by clicking this. Don't display the count when we create the pattern. When we create the pattern, at the end there is a count of it, like I will show you in the next one, or keep it like that. Okay, now if I want to give some angle to it, for example, I'm giving it 45-degree angle, so it will create these circles at 45 degrees that I had said you earlier, that it can give any angle to it. I'm keeping it at 0 degree. Now just activate it and give it for example 10 in the y-axis, and now you can change the length of them. I want 20 also here also. Now change this angle to 75 degrees, like this. These all angles are 75 degrees, or at some other angle, like for example I want it to at 60 degrees, so they will be at 60 degree. I want to create this at some angle like 20 degree, like that. You can create any type of shape with this. It's a pretty handy command. Okay, display instance counting. Instance counting means that 10 here and 10. Okay, I'm unchecking it and I'm checking the angle between them. Now when I create them, okay, here it is. For the y-axis I have checked angle, and for the x-axis I checked the instances. So here is 10 instances and 40 degree of angle between them, because 60 degree at one side and 20 degree at the other side, so make it 40 degree. So these are now will work as a single body, and this is their parent sketch. Okay, now check it. Now by giving dimensions to the like I want it to be 12 millimeters, so the all circle also all circles diameter has been changed to 12 millimeters. So this was about linear pattern. Now let's check out circular pattern. Select it, delete it. Now let's check out a circular pattern. Okay, select a circle, and now here I want to make another circle. Clicking on circular pattern. Okay, This is my circular pattern. If I'm not selecting, if I didn't make this circle for the first, it doesn't matter because you need a single point. So this circle is unnecessary, but I've just made it um to give better understanding of it. Okay, so I have selected this point. This is a parametric point. You need to specify a point. If I want my pattern to move around this point, the origin or the center of that circle, I want to move my this smaller circle around this point. So here is the point. You can also give it a point, like for example 10 milli. From here it has changed, it has moved the center of that circle to 10 millimeters in the x direction. I'm getting it back to 0, and now you can change from in the direction of the y-axis also. Okay, I want to change it for 10. Here's my 10 circles. Now the angle between them is 360, means that these will be at equal instances for 360 degrees. Now if I change this angle to 270 degree, now these circles will be adjusted at 270 degrees, and this area will be clear. And now if I want it to for 180 degree here, if I want it for example 90, I want it for 210 degrees here. You can create it for any number of degrees for any instances. You can create now equal spacing. Equal spacing means that these will be created at equal instances, intervals. Okay, by unchecking it, it means dimension angular spacing. So you can create this spacing between them, that how much do you want. Okay, equal spacing again. Now this was all about your circular pattern. They all will be like the other one. They all will act as a singular body. I'm deleting this one. Okay, so now this will like act as a singular body, like the other that acting in the previous one, linear pattern. Okay, this was all about pattern commands. So we'll be studying these move entities, mirror entities, and offsets, these all in the coming video, because I'm going to create to make a video, a tutorial of creating a professional drawing in which these all commands will be covered. Forget about these commands. I'm talking about from here, because these commands are will be used in your future creating, sketch creating or drawing creating. These are the main commands. So we'll be studying these by creating one or two drawings, professional drawings. I'll see you in that video. Take care, and please like and share our video with your friends and subscribe to our channel.